Welcome to our software engineering class. This is our spring 2018 project update. Here we are with Nick and Abdul, and they're going to talk to you a little bit today about the project. So Nick, I think you do a pretty good job of explaining what is your project and what is the goal that you're trying to get out of this project.
Okay, well, our team leader, Mike, he was contacted by the Department of Language and Literature for SWOSU here, and they have a problem where it takes too much manpower for them to generate what they call a 10-day report, which is the course schedules for instructors in the school. And the reason why it's called 10-day report is there's like a 10-day gap after school starts where it's really volatile. If classes are under-enrolled, they could just drop, or they could change credit hours, or not credit hours, they could change the cost. And they basically they've looked with other people for help, and it would cost too much money, which is not in their budget. So they want somebody to go out there and make them some software where they can take in the information from their database of all the courses and what professors there are, and generate reports that they can quickly, just in a few clicks, show to people and post up on the SWOSU website of what teachers are teaching what. And it mainly helps the administration side, just to know what the teachers are teaching, in case, because they have set limits of what they can teach and other restrictions. And as the project goes on, we'll work with them. Occasionally during major stretches, we'll try to get in contact with them to see what they want. We're basically making this software for them specifically.
Okay, well, thank you. I feel like I have a better understanding of what the project is. My next question is, Nick, what is it that you and Abdul and Mike have done so far?
Okay, so right now we're able to take in Excel data from what they already have. They already have Excel sheets with teachers, instructors, and what classes they're teaching, but they need them sorted. So for right now, at the small level, at the beginning parts of this project, we're going to take in that data and sort it by the instructor and by time the classes go and their priority level, because some teachers only teach classes if they absolutely have to. And
okay, so to say you have it done, that you're not going to have to worry about it anymore. Okay. The ability to import.
We import and we export a report right now.
Okay.
And but we do not have the sorting algorithm for looking at the spreadsheet and sorting it by name. There's no built-in function for what we're using, so we're going to have to make that algorithm ourselves, and that'll just be us banging our heads at it.
Okay, so is that the goal then for the next 3 weeks, is that you're going to have the sorting algorithm done?
I think we could do probably more than that.
Okay,
in the next 3 weeks.
What else do you have in mind?
I really want to get in contact with them.
Okay.
So we can know for sure what their database is, where they get their information from. Because right now we're just assuming it's an Excel sheet, maybe it's a database of some other sort, and we can switch it to fit their needs, but we have to know what it is, we have to look at, and we need to talk to them, because we're making this software for them, and if we have no contact with them, well, we don't know what to make. So once we start getting some base level stuff done, which is printing out the report, we're going to meet with them again to figure out where we go from there.
Okay, well, Abdul, what I would call that is possibly a data flow chart. And so, Abdul, my challenge for you would be, by March the 8th, have a data flow chart that's agreed upon by your customer. And the concept there being, it's always fun to talk about what things should be and where you think stuff does come from, but it's different to have something in writing, possibly that they'll even sign off on and say, yes, we agree, this is how we do business. Okay, Nick, I'll give a last question to you. You've got till March the 8th. Your goal is to do the sorting algorithm and also to come up with the data flow chart. What is it that you see that would hold your team back or keep your team from being successful?
I think we need to have everybody in on it. I think we put in too much reliance on singular groups, singular people to do most of the work. I think, you know, how many weeks of school is this? 5? 4?
Right.
You know, at this time, like, everybody should have committed something. Like, even if it's just it doesn't have to be the big breakthrough. It could just be a small, because there's many small things. We need, like, the way to edit the spreadsheet within the program. And maybe, you never know, maybe with the sorting algorithm, there's some library out there that can do it for us without having to invent something else that I'm just not seeing, or Abdul's not seeing. And we could just, if we could get together and speak about that, that'd be great.
Okay, so I mean, this is one of the few times where our development team is actually saying, let's slow down work and let's have a meeting. So that's not going to happen very often. Well, okay, I'm excited about your project. I think this is going to be a useful tool, and I'm also excited about the possibility that if this works well, this could be something that we possibly extend to other programs. So with that, thank you for your time and good luck.
Thank you.